All right, so let's switch back to Business Central. Let's say that we wanted to open up um, my settings. An Alt T will open up my settings page. So if you do an Alt 5, you will refresh the screen. Um, Another one that I like to use is the Alt Q. Let's say you wanted to look up a page, rather than having to use your mouse, Alt Q, and it will take you there. All of that again is visible from this shortcut keys. Another shortcut I think that is nice is when you're in a journal, you're able to use the F8 key. So F8 copies information that is in the above field. Also, sometimes on some of the pages, we get these fact boxes here on the right-hand side, and people will sometimes ask me, how do I close this navigation page out? Well, if you just do a Alt F2, it will turn on and off this navigation piece. Also, sometimes we want to put this into a different page, perhaps, in another monitor. So the command there is going to be a Alt Shift W,